Hello guys, welcome back to the Cypress automation from scratch. So in this session, we are going to see how we can implement that reporting tool inside the Cypress automation. So I guess every framework should require a very good reporting tool. So in this session, I'm going to explain how we can import that Cypress Mocha Awesome reporter. So for that, first we just open that npmjs.com, and I see Cypress Mocha Awesome reporter over here. So once you find any reporter that you want to install, you just search over here. So you will get that plugins over here, and then the configuration respective plugins are listed over here. So in this session we are going to check Mocha Awesome reporter and how we can see with the past scenario and fail scenario. So I'll explain it step by step. So first we just need to import this dependencies. So let me import it. I have already opened that one of the project. So npm I save dev. So save dev means that the dependency will be saved inside that dev dependency. So, once we hit this, so it's downloaded, and you can see that Cypress Mocha Awesome reporter 2.3.0 with that version is installed over here. Let me clear it out. Okay, so yeah, so this is done. If you are using yarn, then there is a command for yarn over here. Then the later on, we just need to configure cypress.json with the reporter, like whatever the reporter we wanted to use. Like in this session we are using Cypress Mocha Awesome reporter, so that reporter we have mentioned over here. So let me show that. I guess I had already mentioned inside cypress.json. Okay, so you can see that we have already mentioned that reporter over here, Cypress Mocha Awesome reporter, and also I made some reporter options over here, where the report will be saved. So I made that Cypress report directory inside that HTML folder. I made that chart equal to true, report page title. You can also provide your custom title over here. Embedded screenshot, I will explain this later, and then inline assist, so this is also true. So these are the configuration I made with that reporter option. So next we need to import. Yes, we need to import this plugin inside the Cypress support.index.js. So I'm going to that support index.js. I put it over here and I'll made a save. Then the next we need to import this inside that plugin index.js. So on the plugin index we made change of that as well. Okay, so yeah, I made the change of that as well. Okay, so inside that you can also see that custom option that we can pass. The custom option with that description are mentioned over here. So and you can also get that some reporter over here. Okay, so yeah, okay, let me go back to the one scenario. These are the scenario, Google search scenario I made. Just simply log into the hitting google.com, and over that I just finding with the test, and then click on the Google search button. So yeah, let me execute. Before execution, let me made some changes to fast execution. So I'll see, at moment this is fine, I guess. So okay, so this is command that we are going to hit, npx cypress runs spec file, and inside that we mention google search spec.js headed. That means it will launch the browser, and we are able to see that it is not headless. So that's why we had passed that option headed over here. Then the browser will be Chrome, and yeah, just let me remove this reporter from here as well. I'll just hit it. Once we hit that, Cypress will launch that browser as Chrome browser, and with the Google search spec scenario. So it is loading that, and then our scenario is listed over here. So you'll be able to see that it will simply launch that google.com and then find with the test keyword. Okay, so hit test and just click on that Google search button, and the test scenario will be executed successfully. Okay. So in this scenario, like it will try to click on Google search button, but I made a changes with the wrong XPath. You can see it over here. Like I haven't passed that username. I'm in JS name equal to this. So in this scenario, it will getting fail after 60,000 milliseconds. That's why I made to change over here inside that cypress.json like timeout. But let wait for 1 minute. I mean it will take 20 to 30 seconds now, and that test scenario will be getting failed. So we'll see that first failed result within the Cypress Mocha Awesome reporter. Okay, so within second it will be fail. Yes, yeah. So you can see the execution is getting fail. On the console you can see like one of the scenario we have executed and it is failing, and that report generation path is also mentioned over here. So we'll go inside the report, and inside HTML we are able to find that index.html. I just made a copy of path. I'll just put it here and then hit it. So we'll see like Google search test scenario, that is the spec name I guess. Yes, I describe Google test scenario that is mentioned over here. Okay, and inside that the search with test keyword in Google. So this hit block is showing and this is getting failed. So once we click over here, we'll able to get the assertion like we are not able to find this keyword. For this Google search button, we are not able to find that exact XPath, and that is not founding within the 60,000 milliseconds. That is also mentioned over here like inside the cypress.json you can see default comma timeout equal to 60,000. So within the 60,000 it is not able to find that, and that is failing over here with the screenshot also. So we can see this kind of report will be generated with the Cypress Mocha Awesome reporter. Let me make a pass scenario. Okay, so we made a valid XPath over here and try to execute once more time. Okay, it will automatically override the report over here inside the index.html. So once the execution will be completed, we'll able to see that. So again launching that google.com and then finding with the test keyword, and then click on the Google search button. So this time it is clicked successfully and it's redirected to the next page. It will wait until the page load. Okay, execution successfully, one pass and one scenario executed, and that is pass. And inside the report.html we copy again the path. We'll go back to here and then control V and enter. So Google search this scenario with this keyword is like we have executed this command inside that. So this is successfully executed. So this way we can generate the report of using like Cypress Mocha Awesome reporter. On the next session I will also show that Mocha Awesome reporting using the Mocha Awesome reporter, I mean Mocha Awesome. So that I will explain in next session, and I will made these changes inside like I have created one Bitbucket project over here, Cypress Automation. So I will provide that link inside that YouTube channel as well, so you will get the code from here as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.